Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing an orange makeup tutorial. Eyeshadow look, I believe it's orange. This video is so old. But right now I'm just filling in my brows. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics brow pencil. Not really sure which one it is because they have a couple of them. But I'll leave everything in the description box below. Okay, I always tell people this: when it comes to brows, it is not that difficult as we make it seem. What you're literally doing is lining your natural brows. Does that make sense? Like, you're literally following the shape of your natural brows just to clean it up and make sure that it is sharp looking. The moment you try to do it bigger than what you already have, that's when you start messing up with the shapes, because then at that point you don't really know what to do. If you're somebody with a lot of brow hair like I do, you don't need to do much, guys. It is not that deep, I'm telling y'all. So once I do that, I went in and I shaped it with my ABH Dip Brow Pomade, and now I'm cleaning up my brows. The palette we're going to use for this look is the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. This is an OG palette. It is old. It is very, very old. I think I actually won this palette in one of the Facebook makeup groups. It was like a giveaway and I won this palette. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the shade, what is it? Rigor? Yeah, Samu. And we're just we're just going to pat that all over our lids. This is such an easy look. I'm telling you, any and everybody can do it. You're just going to take a flat top brush, grab the shade, and just place it all over your lids. So once that is done, taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend around the edges of that shadow. Make sure that there's no harsh line and that it's literally blended into the skin. So the technique I am using is called the windshield wiper mode. Basically just going back and forth and just making sure that it is blended. It's very easy, trust me. You want to do the same thing for the other side. So once that is done, we're going to take the shade Vermeer and we're going to place that in the inner corner of the eyes, also known as your tear duct area. Just place it there. Then we're going to move on with our our eyeliner. Sorry, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. Also, you could use any color you want, honestly, for the inner corner. It's just to make the whole thing pop. Nothing major. You can use your highlighter. You can use whatever shade that you like. It is just to make the eyes pop. So for the lower lash line, we are actually using the same shade that we use for our lid, and I'm going to place that all over my lower lash line and blend it out. This is such a simple look, guys. I'm telling you, all you need is one shade and that's it, one color and that's it. You can do this with any look. Just pick your color that you want for your lids and then just blend it out with a fluffy brush. Very, very simple and easy look. Now for eyeliner, I was inspired by my shirt. So I'm using the blue neon liner. This is by, I think it's NYX Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. This is the Duo Lash Glue. I like to apply it on my natural lash line and then stick the eyelashes on there. It's way easier and less messier. I forgot my mascara. So yeah, I went ahead and I put my mascara on and then I put my lashes on. And honestly, for the lashes, guys, you just want to look down. Once you have your glue on your natural line, you just look down and you just pop the lashes on. You can use tweezers, you can use whatever works for you. We're going to move on to the lips. So for the lips, I am using this Rare Beauty lip liner. It's brown. I don't remember the name from the top of my head. So for my actual lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Mood Maker lipstick. I will leave the name in the description box below. I think the color is so fun. A little bit goes a very long way. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my lips and then just blend it in. So now going back in with my lip liner just to define the whole thing. This is such a pretty lip color. I did not know it was going to turn out this way, but this whole thing is just gorgeous. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the description box below, and I hope to see you beautiful souls in my next video. Also, turn on your notification bell if you do not have it on already. Bye.